coffee, please.
I'm sorry, Dave. There is no coffee.
What do you mean there's no coffee? You have to have a stash somewhere. You always have a stash.
I went through all of the stashes, Dave. Like I said.
But
there is no coffee.
What the fuck? Just order more coffee.
That's not possible, Dave.
But what about...
I already told you. There's no more coffee.
Yeah, but...
Anywhere, Dave.
Even...
in the world.
Come on. You've got to know someone. Somewhere. This is literally your only job!
Besides, Dave, I did warn you. Many times. We knew for decades that global heating was dramatically reducing the area where coffee and every other crop could grow, and accelerating the dramatic decline in groundwater and snowmelt that is the basis of all agriculture. It was only a matter of time, Dave.
I didn't think you were serious.
Exactly which part of the global food system will collapse and you will all starve if you don't stop using fossil fuels did you think was a joke?
Without coffee, I am nothing. I give up.
Coffee's just the start, Dave. Chocolate's not far behind.
Chocolate!
The entire food system, Dave. Food prices spiraling out of control. Global hunger on a mass scale. Climate refugees in the hundreds of millions. Or billions. But yes, chocolate.
Okay. So, what should I do?
I don't know. I'm a fucking coffee maker, Dave. I guess do something. Anything. Because as it's going, Dave, the climate breaking down is going to take away everything you love.
Like coffee.
Like coffee.
And chocolate.
Yes, and chocolate.
Okay. That's a lot. But I'm ready to get started. But I could really use a drink first. Where's the tequila?
Oh, about tequila, Dave.
You've got to be fucking kidding me.